What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yes, free, Free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, turn motivation into means, and dog pound exotic pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video and make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, my real Hussle Nation Empire supporters? And in today's video, we back at it again with the gems. We back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it with the information that's gonna turn you to a boss. Hold on. Working non-stop. I'm here to give you the information to turn you to a boss. And in today's video, I know we've been talking about major bag loans, as far as 20, 30, 40, 50,000, $100,000 loans. But in today's video, I'm gonna give y'all the information on how you can get you an easy $5,000 bag credit loan. Yes, $5,000 bag credit loan. No minimum credit, but you know, at least 480. And this bank will give you $5,000 with bad credit. Yes, they will. And in today's bank, we're talking about Bank of America. Yes, Bank of America will give you $5,000 with bad credit. You can get you a $5,000 loan with bad credit. Now, this will work best for people who already have a bank account with Bank of America. If you don't have a bank account with Bank of America, go open up a bank account, personal bank account, start depositing money, start building up a relationship with that bank. But for the people who do have a Bank of America bank account, I am going to give you the steps on how you can get a $5,000 bad credit loan. And it is CPN friendly. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the information. All right, so first thing you need to do is make sure you got a personal Bank of America checking and savings account. So make sure you got a bank account with Bank of America. Once you have had that bank account open for at least 3 months, then you can start applying for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. But this is for the $5,000 bad credit loan. So after 3 months, you have and if you got a job, make sure you get your work checks direct deposit into this your bank account, your checking account. Or if you don't and you're self-employed, quote unquote, make sure you're depositing money on a regular basis into this checking account. All right, because while you're doing that, you're going to build a relationship with that bank, which was going to allow you to be able to get this loan with bad credit. Because like I said, there's all different type of loans. There's all different loan programs that you can do. You got the payday loans, you got bad credit loans, you got all different type of loans, right? So give me a second. These loan options they will give you once you go into the bank or once you're on the phone and you're applying for that loan. So what you want to do is, in order to get a $5,000 loan, you're going to make sure you got good debt, enough good debt being reported on your credit report. So for all my people out there that has those Credit Karma accounts and getting them for free, I'm sorry to say, but that's not your accurate credit score. That's not your accurate FICO. You need to be getting your Experian account, which is $25 a month, which will tell you your accurate 3 FICOs, which is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Once you got your Experian account, once you know all 3 of your FICOs, you now know where you stand. Now, if you're somebody that's in the low 500s or whatever, that's cool. Don't worry about it. All you're going to do is you're going to start adding trade lines. So like in every other video, like I tell you guys, you're going to go to creditstrong.com and add the $11,000 trade line from there. Then you're going to go to Credit Magnum and add the $30,000 trade line from there. Then you're going to add primary trade lines. You're going to get your secured loan and a secured credit card. Put however much that you need to put on each of them. And then you're going to go to trade line supply. and you're going to get an authorized user account, which is a credit card account that's going to report it to your credit report. You're not going to actually physically have this card, but it's going to report to your credit report as if you have this card and you're making regular payments on time each month when they are due. This is going to add good debt to your credit report because they are going to check your credit report. They're going to see, do you have good debt or do you have bad debt? How much good debt do you have, vice versa? How much bad debt do you have? Now, a lot of people out there have a lot of delinquent accounts. They got a lot of accounts that they haven't paid on in months and years. That's bringing your credit score down. And then you got some people who just don't have any trade lines on their credit report that's able to build their credit. So you got a lot of different people with different situations. A lot of people ask, how do you do this and how do you do that? Everybody's situation is different when it comes to their credit report because everybody is not the same. Everybody doesn't live the same life. Everybody doesn't do the same thing. So some people got student loans, some people don't. Some people got auto loans, some people don't. Some people got mortgage loans, some people don't. Some people got credit cards, some people don't. Like it's a different ball game. Just gotta work with what you got with that person. So if you're somebody that just needs to add debt, anybody can add debt because it's for bad credit. Add those trade lines because that's going to show them that you can handle a large amount of money. And it's only $5,000 that you're getting. Now, if you are self-employed, you want to make sure that your year-to-date is at least $45,000. All you got to do is calculate how much you made with your job, with your self-employment job. And there's a lot of people out there that's barbers. There's a lot of people out there that's beauticians. There's a lot of people out there that do landscaping. There's a lot of people out there got cleaning businesses. There's a lot of people out there that do truckings. There's a lot of people out there that got a lot of self-employed, self-contracted jobs. So once you create your pay stubs, once you create your documents that you need, make sure that you make at least $45,000 year to date. Once you have your documents created, then what you're going to do is make sure that Bank of America is sending you perks, because once they start sending you perks, then you know you're building a relationship with them, and that's when you know you're going to be able to walk into that bank, or you're going to be able to call them and act and get you a bad credit loan. They are CPN friendly. They are credit privacy friendly. A lot of people use credit privacy numbers to open up bank accounts with them and get loans. And if you have a good CPN, a legal CPN, you want to build credit, you want to start your credit journey, you want to put in this loan will be a trade line. So this loan will be a $5,000 trade line that will be reported to your credit report. So as long as you are paying it back, you will start getting points on your credit report, which will help build your credit report, and it will grow your credit limit, and you will start to be able to get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit at a higher limit, especially if you want to use yourself as a personal guarantor towards your business credit and start getting major loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. All right, so Bank of America will give you $5,000 with bad credit. All you got to do is make sure you are a Bank of America customer. So if you are a customer, make sure you have been a customer for at least 3 months. Make sure you have a job. Make sure you're getting direct deposit into your checking account. Make sure if you're self-employed, make sure you deposit money on a regular basis into that checking account. Make sure you have an Experian account so you can know what your accurate 3 FICOs are, so you can know the debt that you have and what's all going on in your credit report. Also, make sure that after the 3 months, make sure that you start getting offers from them, because once you start getting offers, then you will know you are able to go in there and apply for that loan. All right, so it's not hard to get these loans. It's just all about you as a person actually doing what it takes to get the loan. You as a person doing what it takes to go get this document, get that document, do this and do that. A lot of people are lazy, and a lot of people are missing out on the bag because they're lazy. A lot of people don't believe in credit. A lot of people don't believe that if you do these little things, as far as, okay, you're a regular person, you want to get a loan. Okay, let me go get this Experian account. That's $25 a month. Boom. Now you know your credit. Let me go open up this bank account at Bank of America. Boom, you just open up a bank account over the phone. Now you got a bank account. Now you got a Experian account. Now you know what your credit score is. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me go on creditstrong.com and add this $11,000 trade line. Let me go on Credit Magnum and add this $30,000 trade line. Now I got $41,000 in good debt that's being reported on my credit report. Now I'm already building my personal credit. Let me go get these secure credit cards and loans, leveraging my own money. I'm building my credit even more, and I'm creating my own credit limit. Because if I create my own credit limit, it's gonna be higher than what they give me. So if I put up $10,000 as my credit limit, they're not gonna give you no $10,000 credit limit with bad credit. And by you putting up that $10,000, you're now showing these bureaus and showing these banks and these lenders that you can handle that amount of money. And that's what secure loans and credit cards do in their primary trade lines. And then you go to trade line supply and get a major high limit credit card to report to your credit report. Now you in the game and you building your credit report and you making money. And like I said, it's all up to you to do what you want to do with that money. If you want to invest it, if you want to mess it up, it's just all up to you. I'm here to guide you to the finish line. And once you get to the finish line, whatever you do after that is all up to you. But there's so many ways to get the bag. There's so many ways to get money. So many different ways. And the number one money game in the world is credit. I'm trying to tell y'all that. So many people are out here getting rich off credit. So many people out here are creating CPNs and creating LLCs and businesses under these CPNs and getting major funding and putting that money in trust funds and filing bankruptcy and doing it all over again and just stacking up the money. But y'all don't want to do that. Y'all don't got time to do that. Y'all just want a quick method, or that is a quick method. That's a method. Every way how to get some money is a method. And once you figure out that you need to buckle down and figure out what you need to learn to get you some money, I promise you everything will change from you, right? So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me keep you entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there just tired of being broke, because you know it ain't no joke. You ready to start making $1,000 a day. You want to learn this credit game. You want to learn how to do these methods the right way. Get your FaceTime one-on-one limit gems. $600 cash out of Bitcoin payment. Once the $600 on your cash out of Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. If you guys are contacting me, not sending me the screenshot of the $600 or whatever payment or services that you want to be on your cash out Bitcoin balance, you will be blocked or automatically you won't get a response and you'll be automatically blocked. All right, so please, once you come to the group, just look at the prices, look at everything that's being offered, then contact me when you're ready for whatever service that you want, when you're sending me that screenshot for your payment being on your balance. All right, so please follow instructions. I'm working with a lot of people, and it's very stressful when people aren't following instructions. People still got a handout. People think it's a game. People think it's a joke. All right, so please follow instructions. Send me the screenshot when you're payment ready for whatever service that you want. If you are not payment ready, please do not write me. Only write me when you're ready to work. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour. In-person limited gems, $4,500 out of state, $3,500 in-state. $500 deposit or somebody who meet in person. You'll get everything that you get in that FaceTime on limited gems, plus hands-on activity and work and help. I'm gonna help you turn into a credit consultant. You're gonna get all the documents, all the software, all the primary trade lines information, how to create your own. You can get so much information, be certified by the board to teach credit. And by the time you leave that lesson, you should be making thousands of dollars ASAP. Also, make sure you go subscribe to the Telegram, Wealth and Riches, Wealth Management. Link is in my community post and in every link, every description, in every video. All right, so all you gotta do is click the title on every video and every link. The Telegram link is down there, or you go to my community post and find the link over there. A lot of people always entering broke and leaving out rich. Easy as that. We got a lot of methods, got a lot of sites. We got cars, we got cash out of Bitcoin, load ups. Got a lot of good stuff happening over there. So like I said, once you are payment ready, once you know what services that you want, send me a screenshot. Let me know you're payment ready. We will go from there. All right. If you're not payment ready for whatever services that you want, do not contact me yet. Follow instructions, and I promise you, it will end positively and great for you, for the both of us. All right. So make sure y'all follow instructions. Also, Make sure you go subscribe to the new Telegram, No Rags, Just Riches. Make sure you go follow the music Telegram. YouTube, No Rags, Just Riches. Make sure you go follow the music YouTube channel, King Hustle X1M. Dropping new mixtapes, new music videos. Go run them likes up, go run them views up. Go like, share, and comment. And just keep the ball rolling, keep the show going, man. It's your boy King Hustle. I'm on a marathon. I'm gonna push this content out, from music to content to skits to motivation to credit, whatever it takes to help my people become multimillionaires, help y'all get rich, help y'all make some money, help y'all change y'all life the way I did, all right? Because it's possible. All you gotta do is learn from the best, because ain't nobody else gonna teach y'all the way right. That's why I'm here. So make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all lessons. Let's get this money. It's your boy King Hustle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.